Hello everyone, Artificial Intelligence and GPTs for the Essential Genealogist. In this presentation, I'm going to step you through how I have linked my GPTs to the journey that you take in my Academy for Essential Genealogists. This is the logo or the path or the framework, if you like, for the journey that you can take with me in the Academy. And we break it down into 7 entry points, from researcher to analyzer, explorer, storyteller, family historian, author, essential genealogist, and finally the ancestral guardian. GPTs, what are they? Well, these are like putting your prompts in chatgpt on steroids. And you never have to worry about prompting again. Once you create a GPT, you can simply use it to structure its response to your request for each part of your journey. For every one of the GPTs that I show you today, there is a link below the video, and you can put those GPTs straight into your ChatGPT-4. The Genealogy Journey Planner will help you create and schedule your genealogy planning for the year. A very useful one to start with for anyone, no matter what stage of the journey you're on. In the green section, the early entry point of becoming a researcher and building your foundation, I have one of my GPTs set up to help with that part of your journey. This one is called the Ancestry AI Research Guide, and it can provide time period specific historical context in chronological order with structured headings for genealogy research. A very useful one to get started with. The second part of your journey is becoming an analyst, where you learn to organize and interpret your data. A GPT to help you in this entry point is called the AI Genealogy Assistant. Now, this is a fairly new one that I've developed, which aids in genealogical research and offers you strategies in interpreting records. So a useful one to help with your analytical brain. In the next stage of your journey as an explorer, you'll be investigating and networking as broadly as you can and getting some writing started. I have my creative writing coach. This one actually is not mine specifically. It was created by OpenAI or ChatGPT. But this coach is eager to read your work and give you feedback to improve your skills. So if you're at the stage of investigating how you're writing your stories for your ancestors, this will be a very good coach to help improve your writing skills. Next, we have the storyteller entry point, where you really dig deep now and time travel into your family history. A GPT that will help you here, I have created for you, called the Ancestral Narrator. Now, this will help with your ancestral storytelling in crafting narratives from data and content that you provide. The AI or ancestral narrator becomes your storytelling sidekick. The fifth entry point is family historian, where you are curating and sharing the saga of your family history. And often you'll want images to help illustrate that part of your ancestral storytelling. I have an ideal GPT for you called the Ancestry AI Artist, which will create realistic images for specific historical eras. And these you can use as relevant illustrations in your genealogy. The sixth entry point is becoming an author, writing up your family history as an ebook, perhaps, where you'll be plotting, planning, preparing, editing, publishing. So I have a new GPT for that called the Family Chronicle Guide, which will offer friendly journalistic guidance for you as you write your family history ebook. The next entry point, the last one, is the Essential Genealogist, where, of course, you have crafted your research skills, your analytical skills, you've explored, you've become a storyteller, and you've curated your family history, and you may even have a book ready to go. But at this stage, as the genealogist preserving your family history, you may want to take that a step further and share with others how you've gone about this. And you might have a blog in which you're writing this up. My GPT to help you here is one that was created by someone else, and it's called the Automated Writer, which can craft well-written, optimized, and researched content in your unique voice. So that one is worth a trial. At the end of this process, I believe that you're then well on the way to becoming the ancestral guardian that your journey has led you to become. If you want more information about GPT, and in specifically for genealogists, how to create your own GPTs, I've included new modules in my course called ChatGPT for Genealogy. And you can get access to this right now. So if you click on this last link, double click, it will take you to ChatGPT for Genealogy, your AI assistant. And this is in my Academy for Family Historians. I wish you luck on your journey into using GPTs for genealogy.